this is Stacy and this is Wine and Dip. Today I'm going to be doing a 619 nails mani with these colors. The dark coral, the light coral, and the glitter are part of a set called the Garden Rose set, and then the white color is called Milt. So it goes coral is the dark pink color, pale coral is the lighter color, and then the glitter is fresh cut. So I'm going to be showing you how I use these liquids to put this set together, and this is my second time using the 619 liquids. I used them previously and it was a little bit of a learning curve. This time it went a lot smoother. So I'm going to be placing the powders on my nails. I go slow for the first dip of each color, and then I nail magic through the rest of them. I also didn't show the clear over top for my nails except for the thumbnail because it's very repetitive. So here I am dipping my thumb, and then I noticed that I didn't get full coverage, and I don't know if this is because of the way that I'm applying the base, because it's like shiny surface and I missed a spot, or if it's because of the peel base, but it doesn't matter because after going through, I think I do 3 total dips on each one of my nails, the color is full coverage and it's fine. On my nails underneath this base coat is builder gel, the pink builder gel from Triple D, and then I have a base coat of gel, and then a top coat of gel, and then peel base, and I'm using Vividip gels and Vividip Peel Base. So I'll let you watch me put some fun colors on my nails, and I will be back in a little bit. in and just talk about, throughout this process, you'll see me activate my other nails as I'm waiting for my nail I just dipped to dry. So I did that with the pale pink coral. While I was waiting for that to dry, I activated my thumb and my index finger, and now that I'm waiting for my pinky to dry, I'm going to activate my middle finger. So I had clear capped in Skyline Soapworks clear off camera. I deleted that part, and then I'm just letting the clear soak in, doing another nail, and then activating. I like to do this because I think it cuts down on the waiting time, so I don't have to wait after all my nails are done. I don't have to activate and then wait 2 minutes to file and buff. So that's just a little tip I like to do, and then also it prevents glitters from getting in your solid colors. To the last color, which is called Fresh Cut, and it's a glitter. This glitter, I just wanted to pop in to say, okay, the coverage on it is absolutely stunning. I actually debated on whether or not I wanted to do 2 coats of it because one would have been just perfect. So I just wanted to shout out that amazing glitter from 619. So take a look at that, and then I will be back when it's time to talk about some wine. And buffed off camera, and then I also did this really cute nail art, and it was my first time trying stamping and then doing chrome over stamp. So I do like the way it turned out, and I did put some smudge-free top coat over top of that middle nail that was stamped, and I'm going to also put activator and top coat on top of that. So you can see me do that, and then while you watch, I wanted to review the wine that I picked for this episode. It is a red blend from France, and it is from the Gary V Wine Club. The link to this wine will be in the description box below. It's rated 95 points from Wine Advocate, and it's described as tasting of currant, berries, violet, oak, smoke, vanilla, licorice, and anise, and smelling like spice box, dark and red fruit, cinnamon, black pepper, mint, violet, rose petal, and oak. I definitely did get the oaky smell as well as the black pepper, and it tasted a lot better after it sat out for a while. So after it had aerated, I picked up more of those berry notes. To me, this wine was acidic. It kind of reminded me of how a Pinot Noir is and feels in your mouth, even though it is much darker and more complex than a Pinot Noir. So I do highly recommend it. If you try it out, let me know. I want to hear what you think. Definitely let it aerate for a while, because you'll pick up too much of like an alcoholic taste if you don't do that. But I'm kind of towards the end of this mani here. I'm just putting on the top coat, and then I'm going to use some Elixir from Madame Glam as my cuticle oil. So I wanted to thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope to see you on the next one.